Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this installation is forbidden by system policy in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Just need to find a Windows installer service. Just double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and start the service. And select apply and OK for save changes. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it and check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it and press enter. And now copy the text in my description. After copying it, right click on the Windows and select new and select default 32-bit value. And now paste the text we copied and press enter. Double click on the value we created and set value data to 0 and click on OK. And now just to close stuff here and restart our PC. After restarting, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, type secpol dot msc and press enter. Comes up the security settings. Right click on the software protection policies and you just need to select a new software restriction policies option. On right side you can able to see the option like enforcement. Just double click on it and then set this to all user expect local administrators and select apply and OK for save changes. And now just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type gpedit.msc and press enter. Comes up group policy editor. Under computer configuration, expand the administrative templates and expand the Windows components. And just need to find Windows installer. Select it. On right side, you just need to double click on this prohibit non-administrator from applying vendor signed in updates. Double click on it and set this to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. And just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.